Supernatural elements in The Tempest. Shakespeare, more often than not, used the supernatural elements in almost all his plays. In his finest in his finest comedy, The Tempest, he has used the supernatural in a very abundant manner. There are two types of supernatural forces in this comedy. One is black magic and the other is white magic. Black magic is used by Sycorax in order to control the spirits such as Ariel and Caliban. Prospero represents white magic. When Prospero arrives at the island, he frees the spirits like Ariel and Caliban from Sycorax. Some other spirits like Iris, Ceres, and Juno help Ariel obey Prospero's command. Prospero has all the qualities of a good magician. The attributes of magic that Prospero uses are his robe, his wand, and his books, which he loves above his kingdom. As we see in the beginning of The Tempest, we find that it begins with stark realism. And this impression of realism, right in the beginning of the play, is produced by the supernatural elements. Prospero, the magician and the central character, decides the course of action in the play with the help of his magical powers. His generosity and forgiveness makes him use this magical power for a very meaningful cause. But a question arises: why Shakespeare used the supernatural elements so much in his plays? Literary critics say that people believed in supernatural forces. People believed in supernatural forces during the Elizabethan age. That is why Shakespeare has used it in his plays in a very abundant manner. Therefore, it would be apt to say that Shakespeare was very much contextual to his times, to his age. But not only this, his ability to approximate theater to The contemporary society made him very much important, and Shakespeare is very much contextual even today because of this only, because of this quality of approximation of art to society, and because of his universality in art. Thank you.